hinihiling umani po, Dr. Sinaida. Paumanin lang po, hinihiling po natin ang lahat na huwag po tayo gumawa ng ingay ng sagot na marinig po natin ang kasagutan ng ating mga Pinoon. Maraming salamat po.
What is self-care essential for personal development? What is the most significant personal achievement in your life and why?
Maraming salamat sa para sa akin ang pinaka-significant achievement sa aking buhay ay yung makasali ulit sa Patimpalak nito. Dahil limit man sa inyong kaalaman pangalawang beses ko nang sumali sa Patimpalak nito. At ako ay nagpapasalamat dahil muli sinuportahan ako ng napakaraming tao, hindi lamang ng aking barangay, kundi pati na rin sa iba't ibang bahagi ng ating bayan. At dahil dito, nagpapasalamat ako at bilang isang Malagueño, gusto ko lang sabihin na may puso Malagueño.
Maraming salamat, Alexander Vance Angeles from Bayan-Bayanan. We now move on to our next top 10 from Barangay Katmon, Julie I. Servito. Julie, please pick your judge. Johannes Frisler.
Good luck. So here's your question. What advice would you give to young people struggling with self-confidence? What advice would you give to young people struggling with self-confidence?
Thank you for the question. So the advice I will give to the young people to have confidence is kindly follow my example here in my journey in Ginoo and Binibining Malabon. Especially me, like me. I'm lack of height, I'm lack of self-confidence, but those people who beside me and those people who support me right until now, I would like to thank all of you. Thank you for giving me this chance, this opportunity, that this night will be the most memorable night of my life. Even though I'm just 23 years old, I will not forget it. And for those people who are following my footsteps, even from my university, just be who you are, just express yourself, do whatever you want to do in your life, because it is not who you are on the eyes of the people, it is what you do that defines you. That would be all. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Julie I. Servito from Barangay Katmon. Up next is from Barangay Ibaba, Nikki Harla Gatchalian. Our judge is Michael Barry Bumali.
Good evening, Malabon, and good evening, bro. This is your question. How do you plan to use your title to promote the importance of volunteerism and community service? I'll repeat the question. How do you plan to use your title to promote the importance of volunteerism and community service?
Bilang isang Malagueño, nakikita ko dito na yung nagpupuno sa atin is masyado a good way. Yun lang.
Maraming salamat, Nick Ronald Gatchalian from Barangay Ibawa. Up next is Kyle Angelo Eucalina from Barangay Locos. Our judge is Charlene Bati.
Magandang gabi. Handa? Handa na?
I'm ready.
Ang tanong, anong aspeto ng kultura ng Malabon ang iyong lalong pinagmamalaki at bakit? Ulitin ko. Anong aspeto ng kultura ng Malabon ang iyong lalong pinagmamalaki at bakit?
I think the biggest aspect that I will may you repeat the question.
Malabon culture, what are you most proud of?
I think the biggest aspect of Malabon that I am most proud of is one that it is progressive. Why? Because the culture of Malabon can be seen all across the streets, while we can see the new and beautiful architecturals and traditions that we can see in the city today, which is a newly built and rich, and that we can see it in the beautiful streets of Malabon, and that it is seen as a progressive one because it aligns with the newly built ones. And in the newly built ones, I think we can see that the progressiveness of Malabon is as it is, and that it shows the progress and growth of Malabon to today's culture. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Kyle Angelo Eucalina from Barangay Locos. Up next is Nico S. Hintay from Barangay Luzon. And our judge will be Shamsi Sumsumli.
Hi, good evening. So here is your question. How you handle criticism and what have you learned from it? Again, how do you handle criticism and what have you learned from it?
Ang kritisismo ay maaaring magdulot sa iyo ng masama o mabuting bagay dahil depende ito kung paano mo i-take ang criticism. Kasi kapag tinig mo ang criticism in a bad way, mababa pa ang iyong self-confidence and mababa rin ang iyong self-esteem. And on the other hand, kapag tinig mo naman ang criticism in a good way, pwede mong gamitin ito upang mas lalo kang mag-improve. Kasi hindi ka naman makikriticize kung perfect ka. So, take this criticism to improve yourself, and that's all. Thank you.
Thank you, number 5. Moving on. Candidate number 6 from Barangay Pangulo, Elisma P. Valentino.
Our judge will be Nicole Jane Minano.
I was able to use my platform as a social media content creator to promote our current mayor, Mayor Gini Sandoval. With the beautiful butterfly effect that we saw the moment our first female mayor stepped into power, I believe that I made the right decision. And as to that, I believe that I was part of the journey, part of the people who established the road towards the new Malabon that we experience today with our mayor, with our first female mayor, Mayor Gini Sandoval. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Candidate number 6 from Barangay Panginoon. And now, moving on. Candidate number 7 from Barangay Potrero, Russell Escudero. Lady Russell. And your judge, Mr. Raymond Villanueva.
Good evening, candidate number 15. Are you feeling any pressure tonight? Are you feeling pressure tonight? Well, I'll give you. Do you have any path? Yes. What's your path? Environmental awareness. Well, my question is based on your platform. How would you use your platform to address the challenges that is facing LGBTQ community today? How will you use your platform to address all the issues that's happening to the LGBTQIA++ community?
Thank you for that wonderful question. Being ambassador of my university and aspiring Ginoong Malabon 2024 representing my barangay, I would promote my advocacy for everyone or for LGBTQIA+, that my advocacy in which environmental awareness, which entails understanding and acknowledging issues and challenges related to our nature and environment. And I will encourage the LGBTQIA+ that I will encourage the LGBTQIA+ to protect our nature and development or environment just for the future and just for the present and for the future generation. And that's my tagline is I will bring home the crown. And the LGBTQIA+ was deserving to communicate with my platform and mine and with this competition. That's what I will say.
Thank you, Barangay Potrero, Russell Escudero.
Up next is Daniel Casimiro from Barangay Tanyo. Daniel, please bring your judge. Raymond Villanueva. Judge Raymond.
Again? Okay, my next question. Do you feel any pressure tonight? I don't know. Ito talaga ang para sa'yo. You know, everybody's in social media right now. I'm sure it's not there. How can young people be educated with the responsibility of social media? How can young people like you be educated with the responsibility of social media?
Thank you for the wonderful question. And good evening, judges. As a young person, as a student, as a candidate, and as a young entrepreneur, dapat nating alamin na dapat tayong maging mas malikhain sa social media at dapat nating bantayan ang ating attitude. Dahil hindi natin alam na napakalawig na nasasakot natin sa social media. While ang iba ay nagiging epekto ng kasamaan, nag-foster ito ng maling behavior at nadadamay ang young people na gawin ang mga bagay na gusto nila dahil it will lead to a comparison basis. Dahil dalawa lang ang pupuntahan ng social media. Una ay magpasaya ng tao. Pangalawa ay ang comparison para sa ating mga tao. Una sa lahat, social media dahil ito ay napakalawak na masaya. Upang mas maganda ang ating masasabi at mas mag-influensya natin ang mga bagay-bagay at mga tao na nakapaligid sa atin. Mas maging malawak ang ating kaisipan sa pagsagot, pag-comment, at pag-post dahil hindi natin alam ang mga apekto nito. Unti-unting manahambang, mas mapapalawak natin at mapapala natin ang environment sa social media. Dahil micro efforts leads to macro effects. Maraming salamat.
Thank you very much. Casimiro of Barangay Tanyo. We now move on to our ninth Ginoo, Rinzo Martin M. Monday from Barangay Consuya. Rinzo, please pick your judge. And our next judge will be Judge Michael Bear Romati.
Hello, bro. Good evening.
Good morning na pala.
Okay, this is your question. What initiative would you start to empower the youth of Malabon? I'll repeat the question. What initiative would you start to empower the youth of Malabon?
Bilang isang mag-aaral ng medisina sa San Pedro University, akin po ma-influensyahan ang youth upang maging isang agresibo dito sa Malabon. Sa pamamagitan na aking kaalaman at aking bibigyan sila ng inspirasyon upang tumayo sa kanilang mga sarili, ipaglaban ang karapatan ng mga kabataan, ipaglaban ang edukasyon ng mga kabataan, at maging alerto sa mga problema na kinakaharap ng ating lipunan. At magagamit ko itong plataforma na ito upang mas mapalawak pa ang aking influensya sa ating mga kabataan na naway maging agresibo ang kabataan ng Malabon dahil ang Malabon ay nakahon patungo sa taas, pataas kasama ang kabataan at mamumuna ang mga kabataan. And I thank you.
Maraming salamat, Rinzo Martin M. Monday from Barangay Consuya. And we have our last Ginoo, Justine Ivan G. Science from Barangay Dubato. And our judge will be Judge Nicole Jane Minana.
Good morning. So my question is, how do you envision the future of youth leadership in Malabon? Again, how do you envision the future of youth leadership in Malabon?
I firmly believe that our generation right now is a broader perspective. They are open-minded to such things, to perform such things. And I think that it is not the easy, it is not the hard way, but it is for me the easiest way for us to navigate people from all around the sectors, from all aspects of life, to unify them. Because at the end of the day, the empowerment of us should start within ourselves. And at the end of the day, it doesn't need to even cost anything to empower the youth, but it only takes one single step to make that change. And I hope to do that with every Malagueño right now.